Hey guys, I know I'm coming up here looking pretty crazy. I have new hair that I'm not doing a review on, and I have no makeup or little makeup, but that's besides the point. I came up here to do another review on some hair. Shumedia hair, to be exact. I think that's how you pronounce it. Um, I've already gotten their hair before. This is the box that it comes in. I'm actually going to do a review on my existing wig and this new wig. Just give me 1 second. So before I do the review on the new wig, I'll do it on my existing one. So this is my existing unit. I've had it in my hair July, August, for about 2 months. It is now basically a 12-inch wig or maybe a 14-inch wig. It started out at, actually, let me think about that. It started out at, no, I think this was already a 14-inch wig, and I kept cutting it because usually I get 18 or 16, and then this one I wanted to try it as a 14. So it was a 14, and I kept cutting it and cutting it and cutting it. So it might be like, yeah, like I was saying, probably like 12 or 10 inches. It's now a bob that like comes to here. This hair was a wavy texture, and this is the cap, and I always did a side part, so it actually naturally falls here, and then it actually ends up going over here, which is kind of funny, so that I can get like a deeper part. I didn't ask for it to do that, it just kind of ended up happening. And this here is actually still amazing. It still moves. My fingers can still go through it. I'm pretty sure I can wear it a lot longer. I just took it off because I was going out to um Las Vegas, and I didn't want to wear this one when I went out there. I wanted to wear blonde and a different longer wig that I had on, and it's now looking crazy, and I didn't feel like trying to fix that up to do this quick video. So this is the wig, and like I said, so if this is there, this is the front. If I had a ruler, I'm pretty sure this would measure 12 inches. So from what I can say about this here, actually just really quick, because I'm just now rambling about this, is that this hair is actually amazing. If it can last for 12 months, 2 months without me having to do the hot water and vinegar and soap treatment that I usually do, then this is like really good. The only discrepancies I had is that it did definitely shed a lot, and one of the tracks in the back came undone, and I just was too lazy to sew it. But for me to not sew it, it definitely isn't showing. It definitely is good. But yeah, the ends didn't get mad or anything like that. I just kept cutting them because I just kept getting bored. The reason why I cut them the first time is because they were just, it was just hair, and I was like, I need to have structure, so I cut it to where it was all even and basically it was like a really long bob. And then I got bored with that, because the ends of it, like I said, even though they weren't straggly, they just weren't curling. So I'm just like, oh, this is annoying. So I cut them off, and then I made it the shorter wig that it is today. I wish I could show you what it looked like. Um, Let me see something. Okay. So I'm back. This wig is so freaking loose. So I can definitely tell you also that this would fit any body's head. So this is the length that it is now. This is the way that I wear it, where I wear it with the part on the side, and then I do like a little swoop or something like that and call it a day, even though it is lace all the way down. I just do the one little swoop. And unfortunately, my actual real baby hair show, sideburn show, so I do like some little thing there. So this is the wig on. Too bad I cut it. I have another one to show you, and hopefully you guys enjoy that as well, so stay tuned. Okay guys, hopefully I put this wig on correctly. I don't even know what it's looking like. I can't see. I don't have my contacts in as I'm filming this. Looks fine to me, and like I said, I already look crazy up here. So this is the new wig. It is 16 inches, And I know that this one is definitely curly. Let me see if it tells me what it is. If not, I'll add it. Alright. So it comes in this bag. And like I said, this one is actually 16 inches. I got it for $78 or $76. It was on sale. I'll put the link below so you'll have the hair with the new price. It comes with all these tags, I guess, if you're going to resell it. But I don't know why you would. Yeah. Comes with these eyelashes. And there's already something wrong with my pair, but they probably would be cute if there wasn't. Just add it to the eyelash box. And it comes with a wig cap, a netted one, so that you could probably like sew it down or whatever. One of those scent beady things. An elastic band. And now on to the hair. Oh, here we go. Maybe it'll tell me. No, I don't know. I know hair length is 16, but I don't know. It says hair texture. I don't know what D38337 is. So, and then the styles in Asian. So it comes in the net. Net it up. This one has a smell to it. It's not too bad. It's faint. This was in the inside. Oh, for a second, I thought this piece right here was in the front. I was about to be sick. Has the comb here, combs at the top, and yeah, this is the texture. Very bouncy. The part is naturally falling here, which I like because that's usually where I do my parts. So that's good enough for me. I do not do the parts in the middle. And there's lace here in case you want to glue it down there. I don't think on my last wig I cut that lace. Let me see. Yeah, I did cut it because I remember it was getting in the way. So let me just try on this one. So anyway, to get into it, I usually never adjust the straps on these wigs or on this wig in particular, like making it tighter, because for some reason I was noticing that it was harder for me to lay it down onto my like sides because it was adjusted. So I just leave them unadjusted and go from there. So that's what actually makes the wig pretty big. But like I said, it's also good to know that it's big so I can tell you guys that it is. And I can definitely say that this hair is definitely feeling good. So that's basically all I have to say, because I did the review of the last one, and like I said, there's really never much to talk about when you first open up a wig. I'm pretty sure I'm making the hair bigger by fluffing it out. So actually, let's see how big this hair gets by me running my hand through it. So this is the hair. Like I said, it moves. This is the back, the side. And yeah, that is it, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this review / unboxing. And actually, I really do hope that you purchase from this company. The hair is affordable. It lasts 2 months, like I said. And trust me, I didn't even add what I put this hair through. Let me just add that in really quick. I do have a video on that. I just have to freaking unlock it and do all the stuff to it so that you guys can see. But I put that hair through stress. I put mousse in it. Got to be glued spray to keep the curl, like water, just constant stress other than heat. I put it through a lot of like chemical stress. So if that hair can last for 2 months under a lot of chemical stress, then you know that it's worth buying. So I hope that this can do the same when I wear it for the next 2 months. And I will see you guys then. Bye.